Woodfox 0007 Flies Guy with a Gun, and today I have Mad Dog out, as you can see. Mad Dog is a Glock 19 Gen 5. Let me tell you what I did to him. So, first I put the grip on him, because I don't like the way Glocks are so smooth. So this is sandpaper grip right here, but the rest of it is a texture grip. And I put the magazine weld on it, match the gun nice. Got the flashlight on there. Yep. And got the red dot on there. There it is. Got the red dot. Not missing that. Yep. So I took the factory magazine, put extended on it, make it into 20. So that's what it looks like with the 20 rounds on there. Then got your 33. 33 on there. And let's go for 40. Got your 40 on there. It looks like a 40 on it. And the drummer boy, you got your 50 rounder. 50 rounds. I did a few videos with this. It's on my YouTube channel, Woodfox 0007. Go check it out. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and you follow me on all my social media sites, Woodfox 0007. Go to Tactical Fox LLC for all this nice stuff that you see right here. Buy, you can have it for yourself. And that'll do it for me. Money.